Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Run the PC health check to confirm CPU, RAM, TPM2. 0 and storage. This tells you if Windows 11 is supported. Make a fast backup and create a system restore point so you can revert if needed. Once verified, free at least 20 GB and enable Secure Boot in firmware. Then download the official Windows 11 Installation Assistant, or ISO. You do these steps first because they prevent common install failures and save time when the upgrade begins. You now perform the core upgrade. If you want to keep settings and apps, run the Installation Assistant. Alternatively, create a bootable USB with the Media Creation tool for a clean install. Choose the option to keep personal files and apps unless you need a fresh start. Follow on-screen prompts, accept the license, and let the installer download and apply updates. This can take time, so be patient. Make sure to unplug non-essential USB devices to avoid driver hangs, and allow automatic restarts until set. Once done, finalize the upgrade by running Windows Update and checking Device Manager for driver updates. Updated drivers prevent crashes and performance issues. Make sure Windows is activated, sign into your account, reinstall any missing apps, and verify your files. Clean up temporary install files and create a fresh restore point. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Reboot into recovery or safe mode, and use the rollback option within 10 days or a system restore point. This single troubleshooting step resolves most post-upgrade problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.